Welcome to Alley 55 Customs. So today we're going to show you how to do a computer reset procedure, and this will actually, it clears all the vehicle's learned memory without using a code reader. Obviously a code reader is a lot easier, where you can just go ahead and run your codes, fix the issue, then clear all the codes. That is the easier way of doing it. But if you do not have one, I'm going to show you how it's done without using a code reader. So first thing that it is really critical to do it the way that I'm going to teach you. First, you need to disconnect the negative cable first, then the positive. So this will be your negative cable here. And what you want to do is you need to disconnect your negative cable first. And let's just get this out here. There you go. And then you have to go on to the positive. And you do have to do it in this order or it will not work. So once you fix your issue you're having with your car, you can go ahead and do this to reset that check engine light that's on your dash, and it gets rid of all your learned memory that's inside your ECM, or electronic control module. Okay, so then what you're doing is, you're disconnecting once again the negative side first, then the positive side second, in that order. Okay, now the next thing that you want to do is, once the battery cables are disconnected, you want to leave both of the cables disconnected for at least 1 hour. Now, here's the critical part. During the last 30 minutes of the 1 hour that your battery cables are disconnected, get in the vehicle and turn on your vehicle to the on position. So you need to stick your key in the ignition, turn the vehicle key to the on position. And you want to leave the key turned on for the entire 30 minutes, okay? And this is the reason this is because it opens up all the circuits in the vehicle's memory setting. Okay, during the last 30 minutes of the 1 hour that your battery cables are disconnected, you need to get into the vehicle and turn on your vehicle's key to the on position. So here we go. I'm getting in here. We're 30 minutes into it. I'm putting the key in and turn it to the on position, not the run position, just the on position. And then you're going to leave the key turned on for the entire 30 minutes. This will open up all the circuits in the vehicle's memory setting. The other thing too is, if it's not a physical key, and it's like a transponder key like this here, you cannot do this procedure on it where you do a computer reset, because this actually is ran by the electrical components. Basically, if you slide it in there, it just keeps spitting out the key. It won't stay in without the battery being connected. So it will not work on this style, but any with a key in it, then it's totally fine. So again, stick your key in there, leave it on for 30 minutes, and I'll be back after 30. Okay, now after the vehicle has set with the key turned to the on position for 30 minutes, what you need to do now is get in the vehicle, and you have to step on the brake pedal for 5 seconds. This is similar to bleeding your brakes, except you're bleeding the electrical current out through the disconnected brake cables. So just step on your brake for 5 seconds, and then it releases all the current out through your battery cable. So after you're done with this, your vehicle learned memory will be completely cleared. So there will be no previous settings for your vehicle to revert back to once you replace your parts. And then what you'll do after that is you have to turn the key to the off position and remove the keys. Okay. Now, the next thing that you need to do is, and actually these steps I just showed you are very critical to clear your vehicle's learned memory. And then what you're going to do is go back and rehook up your negative first, and then your positive battery cables. If you don't do it that way, you just screwed your system up. So it has to be the negative first, and then your positive battery cable. So let's get on to that. Okay, so here we are back under the hood, and we're going to install the negative first. Lock that into place. And then you're going to put on your positive side right here. Okay. And we're going to tighten that one down. Okay. Okay, now that we have finished installing the negative battery cable first and installing the positive battery cable second, make sure everything is tightened down and secure. And then the next thing that you need to do is start your vehicle and drive it for 30 minutes. Highway speeds are preferred. Basically, the ECM or the ECU, the electron control module, will learn the new part that you just put in, and it will remember it, and everything should be fine after you drive it for 30 minutes. Now, if you still have a check engine light on your dash after that, after all this, then you probably have a more underlying problem, and you may need to get that looked at, or go a little bit more in depth on what the issue is. But anyways, this is a easy fix on how to reset your codes in your and getting rid of your learned memory. So give me a thumbs up, the like button, subscribe to my channel, please, because we have a ton of videos coming up. And if you have a vehicle that you want to see something done on, shoot me a comment, and let me know what's going on, and I'll see if I can accommodate you. We do get videos out weekly, and we also do different vehicles weekly also. So hopefully I can accommodate you. So let me know anyways, and have a good day.